You've organized an event and want to gather feedback from participants? We've got the perfect WhatsApp template for that. This way, you promote direct interaction and can engage in dialogue to make your event even better. This means happier participants and an improved event for you. To access the template, select the Customer Support and Service category from the template gallery and then the template titled Get Important Event Feedback directly through WhatsApp. Here a pop-up will open and you can see the template in action and even try it out yourself via the QR code. To use it for yourself, click the button at the bottom left. Now the automations builder will open and you see the automation already fully built for you. Additionally, there is a note element to the left of the automation that shows you what you can use the automation for and how to set it up. We go through these steps together now. First, you need to select your WhatsApp account as the communication channel in the first node. You can customize the message content in the next node as you like. This is the keyword that appears pre-filled in WhatsApp for your contacts when they scan the QR code for the automation or click the link. In the next step, we start the conversation with a short welcome message. Feel free to adjust it to your use case. After a short pause, the flow with the questions begins. You only need to adjust the details here. However, you can also completely change or delete questions and add new ones. Just remember to reconnect the nodes correctly. After the event questions, we send out a final message depending on the answers chosen in the last question. If the person is interested in attending the event next time, we send an invitation after a short pause, giving them the option to register for early tickets. Here, the contact is assigned to a list so we can contact them in time. You just need to select the corresponding contact list in the last node or create one first and select it then. To make the automation available, you can copy the link or QR code to the automation after publishing and use it wherever this flow is relevant. For example, you can place a stand during the event or send the code or a link via email if you have the consent to do so. After scanning or clicking, your customers are automatically directed into a chat with you with the trigger word pre-filled and they just need to send it. The automation starts right away.